Before starting this video, I just want to say that if you hear any kind of fan sound, please excuse it. It's really hot. I cannot switch off my fan and shoot today, at least, because it's really hot. I just can't do it. So hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I shopped quite a bit from the Myntra end of season sale July 2021. I'm very excited for this video because it will be my first ever haul video on my channel. So yeah, really special for me. That's why I'm all glammed up. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Megha. I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and I make vlogs too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's get started with this video. The first thing on my list are these cream brown or brown pants that I ordered from Myntra. This is how they were supposed to look on me, but I decided to send me a size 42 instead of size 32. I have no idea why, and I'm really disappointed. I then went on to the app. I checked if I by mistake ordered the wrong size, but it was size 32. You can see the screenshot over here, and the pants have arrived, but they are so big. They are huge. Like this is not how broad my waist is. It's literally almost my shoulders, and this is not how broad my waist is. And I love these pants so much. I actually tried them on and they were so humongous. I have two action plans for this pant. First, that I have 1 month period to either return or exchange it, so I'm gonna wait for like 15, 20, 25 days to see if this comes back in stock, and I can then actually get it exchanged in my size. And if not, after 20, 25 days I don't see that it's not coming back in stock, then I will definitely return them. I don't want anything in exchange as of now, so I'm gonna return this and get my money back. But I really love these pants. They were so good. Like, I even tried to just clip it and see how it looks, and they were looking so fabulous. But apparently the best thing about these pants are the kind of deal that I got on the sale. These were for 2500 rupees, but I actually got it for 800 rupees from the Myntra sale, and I was so excited for this deal that I got such good quality pants, but I think they were not in my kismat. So don't be surprised if all of my clothes are in black color, because I'm just obsessed with black color. I tried to actually shop some colorful things, but I was always drawn to black. So the next thing that I have with me is this Good Vibes t-shirt from Good Vibes t-shirt. This is from the brand called Dillinger. I really don't know how to pronounce it, as you know. This t-shirt was in my wish list for almost 6 months now, but this was for 1200 rupees, and my mind was like, do you want to spend 1200 on a t-shirt? Don't you think you should wait? You will find a better deal. And then at the end, in the sale, I got it for I think rupees 300 or 400 or something. I'll mention the exact price on my screen. Number one reason that I wanted this t-shirt, because it says Good Vibes, plus it is black color. You guys know how much I love black color. So, and this t-shirt fits very well, as you guys can see on the screen, and when tucked into the jeans it looks really good. It gives an oversized look. Even though I got it in the medium size, which is my size, it gives that oversized look. So I'm really happy to get this t-shirt. Yeah, this is how the t-shirt looks when it's not tucked, and I think this is a perfect length. So in case you don't want to tuck it in your jeans, you can actually just wear it under your leggings. So the next thing that I got from the sale is this Maybelline Lasting Makeup Setting Spray, and this is actually a really good setting spray. Like, this is not a very famous makeup setting spray, but this has been a very good one, and I was anyhow looking for a setting spray, and I actually got a very good deal. So this is actually for rupees 600, and I actually got it for around 300 or 400 something, and I actually love this deal. So yeah, this is the next thing that I like. I've used it today, and as you guys can see, I have like less sweat and oil on my face because this has really set my makeup right now. The next thing that I got from the sale is this black bodycon dress from Here and Now. I actually loved the fabric of this dress. Like, even if you wear it in summers, it's very cottony. Fabric is very lightweight and very soft on your skin. I actually tried it, and as you guys can see, it is high neck, it has sleeves. If you're someone who's looking for a modest dress, then you can definitely check out this dress. Like, when I actually tried it, I didn't felt hot at all. Like, I wasn't like sweating and everything. Plus, it being bodycon, it didn't felt very like tight on my skin. I got the size medium. I was able to walk very freely. Even when I was sitting, it doesn't have a cut on the back like you usually get in the pencil skirts and everything, but when you're walking, when you're sitting, you don't really felt the need of like a cut to really help me for walking or sitting. So yeah, I really love this dress. This dress is actually for 1600, but I again got it for like 7 or 800. And also the thing that I loved about this dress is that you know, you might feel that if you're wearing a bodycon dress you might need to wear a seamless bra or something, but you don't need to wear that. You can wear your regular bra like I wore and you won't see any kind of, you know, lines of your bras and everything good, but you will definitely have to wear a seamless brief under it. So guys, I'm really sorry about this, but I actually was shooting another video and I just remember that I forgot to show you two footwear that I also bought from the Myntra sale. So the first footwear that I got from the Myntra sale are these beautiful sage green sandals or sliders that you can call, and they are so pretty. I was looking for sliders since so long, especially for my ethnic wear, and sage green, you know, is such a big trending color these days. And the best part about this is that first of all, this shines. So this looks very, you know, what is that called, like even if you wear like a simple basic ethnic wear, these sandals will actually make you look very, you know, stand out from the crowd. And this whole leather thing over here is very soft. I've actually worn it. This is size 38. It fits perfectly onto my feet. I love these sandals, plus the heels are not very big, so it becomes very comfortable to wear. I actually tried this one and they look very beautiful, and plus they're very comfortable to walk in. Footwear that I got from the sale are these beautiful and so simple, elegant, chic beige color flat sandals. Now these are from the brand called Dressberry. It's actually a very good brand. Even the clothes and the footwear are very good of this brand. It's not a very popular one, but I really hope this becomes one. The best part about this is, again, it is super comfortable to walk. I actually wore them once and they were quite comfortable to walk. This kind of thing usually causes a little bit of a cut or a little bit of a pain on your foot, but this actually doesn't. This is also made of leather. This is also made of leather. Very nice grip and comfortable to walk in. And the heel is again good enough, not too big, if you know what I mean, and they're very comfortable to walk. The next thing that I bought from the sale is this Neutrogena SPF. Now this has actually SPF 50, actually retails for rupees 650, but I got it for rupees 300. So I was anyway running out of sunscreen, so I thought why not try this sunscreen. The number one thing that I love about this sunscreen is, first of all, it is SPF 50 plus, which you should definitely use. The more the SPF, the more protection you get, and I use SPF every single day, even when I'm inside my house, which you all should also. This isn't a very thick sunscreen. It's very lightweight, blends very easily, does not leave a white kind of like a cast on your face, which some sunscreens do. The next thing that I got from the Myntra sale is this black and golden top. Yeah, this top actually has two very long ribbons. Now how do you tie it? Like, you first take the ribbons, I'm sorry I don't have a video of it. You first take the two ribbons, go from your back, crisscross it, bring it in the bag, and then tie it in the front any way you like it. But now here's the twist. I'm actually returning this top because I thought when I saw the pic that, you know, it is of satin, but I didn't took out time to even read the fabric type, and it is not satin. It is something kind of polyester something. I don't really like anything polyester in the tops and everything because it just makes me very sweaty and humid. So I'm actually returning this top. But if you're someone who enjoys wearing polyester top, who can handle the heat in the polyester tops, then you should definitely check this out. I really love the fit of this top. It is like a very, you know, nice fit. The last thing that I got from this sale is this Face Shop blueberry sheet mask. I actually have used it already, so I don't have anything, you know, I just used it the day it arrived because it looked very tempting, you know, blueberry and everything on my face, so I just used it. Yeah, with this we come to the end of this video. This is all I shopped on this Myntra end of season sale of July 2021. I hope in the next sale I get much better deals and actually get the correct sizes of some specific clothes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. All the links of every single thing from this haul will be in my description box below, so don't forget to check that out. So yeah, till then, take care, stay happy, bye.